Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how coffee ointment can help reduce hair loss and promote healthier, thicker hair. So grab your favorite brew and let's dive right in. First off, why coffee? Well, coffee is not just a delightful morning pickup. It also possesses properties that can benefit your hair. Specifically, caffeine, found in coffee, has been found to stimulate hair follicles and encourage hair growth. When applied topically through coffee ointments, the caffeine penetrates the scalp and reaches the hair follicles directly. It stimulates blood circulation and extends the growth phase of the hair follicles, leading to increased hair length and thickness. But that's not all. Coffee ointments can also help combat hair loss by inhibiting the effects of dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. DHT is a hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicles in individuals genetically susceptible to hair loss. Caffeine in coffee ointments has been shown to block the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone into DHT. Coffee ointments are also packed with antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids. These antioxidants help protect hair follicles from oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to hair loss. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, coffee ointments create a healthier environment for hair growth. Application is key. To get the most out of your coffee ointment, ensure you massage it into your scalp. This stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, allowing the caffeine and other beneficial compounds to reach their full potential. The suggested number of times to apply it on your scalp is 3 times per week. But it also depends on how much you use per time. And the results: regular use of coffee ointments can lead to reduced hair shedding, stronger hair strands, and overall healthier looking hair. But remember, consistency is key, so be patient and stick to your coffee-infused hair care routine. There you have it, folks. Coffee ointments can be a game changer in your quest for healthier hair. So go ahead and give it a try. And as always, don't forget to share your success stories in the comments below. Cheers to caffeinated hair growth.